Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to create your account on the application of REDnote. Here we will go to REDnote app as you see and you will click. In this page, you will go to this window of login and you will enter. Here in this page, as you see, you will add your phone number. You will choose here your code counter or your country code. For United States, you will choose here +1 as you see, and then you will add your phone number. Then you will get verification code and you will log into your account. Or there is another option is to click here to log in from email on Google. As you see, you will click here in the sign of Google. Then we click on agreed and continued. Then we'll find the list of emails. You can choose any email you want to log in from it. You will choose. As you see here, I choose to log in from email and I choose my email in this page. Then you will find this window here of choose your gender and age. Here we'll choose your gender, for example female, and then you can select your age. You can select any age you have. Then you can click on next, and then here in this page you can choose your interests. You will choose +4 interests you want in this page here, and then you will click start exploring, and here we'll find next. You will click on it. Then you will find the first page of the application of REDnote as you see. Then you can know how to create your REDnote app on this way as you see. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.